imagine tonight is when we'll really start to notice where the drafty parts are on our windows and doors in our homes.
Absolutely. I've had the heat up over the past couple of days, and especially the next few days as well. We've got some very cold nights,
these nights are
on tap, especially up in the mountains, getting into the single digits in some spots. But it'll start to warm up as we get into the weekend. But we have a couple of real cold nights to come in first. But today, a little chilly out there, but we had a mix of sun and clouds, kind of depended on where you are. Central Maine saw some more sun today, whereas as far as southern Maine and eastern Maine got to see some more clouds today. We are going to see more sun as we go over the next couple of days because of high pressure being in control until we get into the weekend. Low temperatures tonight, though, the clouds aren't going to help insulate us much. We're still going to drop into the single digits across northern Maine and the mountains, upper teens to lower 20s along the coast. So we're going to have a lot of cold nights coming up, especially over the next couple of days. Now tonight we will build in a little bit more cloud cover, but as we head into the next couple of days, it's going to be kind of a rinse and repeat of a mixture of sun and clouds and very, very cold. So if you look at the temperatures here, especially as we get late in the day on Wednesday, this is only Wednesday at 4 p.m., already into some of the single digits and lower teens up in northern Maine, but we will have plenty of sunshine throughout the day for the next couple of days, especially. Once we get into the mountains later in the week, could have a little bit of extra cloud cover hanging on there, but most of us will see sunshine over the next couple of days, especially as we get into the weekend as well, where we start to watch another system for the end of the weekend. But overall, things will start to moderate as we get into the day on Friday, and that will allow us to be a little bit warmer as well. So the next system is actually going to pass to our south, so we'll escape the next couple of days having plenty of sunshine like I mentioned, but it is going to be on the cold side because of a high pressure system to our north, and that is until we get this warm front that's going to move through at the beginning of the weekend. That's going to allow some more mild air from the south begin to come in and kind of moderate our temperatures to a little bit more closer to average for this time of year. But with that warm front, we also have a system to watch over in the Ohio Valley that will kind of come our way, and that's going to be mainly impacting us for the end of the day on Sunday, and into the beginning of the week on Monday. So a very cold week ahead, especially over the next couple of days, Wednesday and Thursday especially. We will start to moderate out into more average temperatures as we get into the weekend. Warmest, I think, is going to be on Monday. But that's also when we're going to see the most rain over the next week, and then temperatures will start to fall as we get into the middle of next week as well. So this system for late Sunday into Monday is an interesting one. Because of its location and how it's going to be very occluded or a very mature system, that means it's going to be a mostly rain event for most of us, except for the highest points in the mountains. But because of its location, it also mirrors a lot of systems that kind of give us a very high wind event and could have some pretty heavy rain as well. So we're going to be watching this system over the next couple of days to see if it kind of gets more robust in that way as well. Some rain forecast sees 2 to 3 feet, water at 48 degrees, no small craft advisories or anything like that up. So here is our 7-day forecast. So over the next couple of days, if you don't mind the cold, I think it's going to be pretty nice out. So you're just going to want to bundle up, especially Wednesday and Thursday. Very, very cold, especially early mornings over the next couple of days. But really, we don't have much precipitation to talk about, Brian and Amanda, until we get into Sunday into Monday. And now we're going to watch that to see if it's going to be more of a high wind event, but it is going to be of the rain variety.
All right, good to know it's coming. We'll just bundle up this week.
Exactly.
Dana, thank you.